Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's review in this video tutorial entire features of iPhone Manager. What are the features? Haven't given in these tools and why it's important for all the iPhone consumers. Let's see. See guys, I have already installed this software in my laptops. Now see, when I am going to connect this with the help of data cable from iPhone device to a laptop, here see it's reflecting here how much size has been used and how much is free, so we can get here easily. And here we have a 5 options. One is a photo transfer, second is a music manager, third one is your video and movies, and fourth one is your backup and restore, and fifth one is your file. So here see guys, if you would like to transfer any photo from your PC to your iPhone device or your iPhone device to a PC directly, you have to click here. You will be able to easily transfer. See guys, if you would like to export and import any song, just you have to click on a music manager. Now see guys, you can select according to your choice if any song that you would like to export on your laptop. Yes, you can have it directly by clicking here. If you would like to add extra, if you would like to add more music in your playlist, of course you can have. And directly if you would like to delete, just by clicking here, you will be able to delete it easily. So see guys, let me back here. Once again I will come on a backup and restore. See, backup and restore, directly you will be able to backup and restore any iOS of your Apple device easily by one click here. Simply you have to click backup now, it will start to backup. And if you would like to restore, similarly you have option this one, just you have to click there, you will be able to back and you will be able to restore it once again. Let me back here guys. Very important thing that I would like to tell you here. See, video and the movies. If you have a videos in your iPhone device, yes, you can export import easily. If you would like to add a more video, of course you can by clicking here. If you would like to export any video, for example this video I would like to export, so simply I will click on this and we can have this song on my desktop easily. So see here, one option is a recorded video. Whatever video that you have a recorded with your camera of your Apple device, of course directly by clicking here you will be able to export import separately. So this is a very good function here, that recorded video according to your own desire you will be able to export and import easily by using these tools guys. Now music, videos, movies, if you have added a movie, imported a movie in your iPhone device, directly you can export and import by clicking on this option. You can have a refresh also. So guys, after all, of course you will be able to enjoy all the feature that have been given in iTunes. So if you don't want to use iTunes, of course without using iTunes you can do all kind of the work that you are using your iTunes. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive is how you will able to export, import, backup, restore without using iTunes. Here you can have. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If this video is acknowledgeable, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, so because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose guys. So thank you very much, have a great time.